Hi, this is Dave with the Stock and Options Room of the ShadowTrader Live Trading Suite. And today I'm going to be talking about the importance of trade location. And I'm looking at an example of a trade I took, and we're going to get an idea for, how to implement this with zero DTE. So with this recent example, so here's the chart. One of the things I was focusing on, I have the trend line drawn in that I drew in before. So you can see that it's focused right here, which is on the open. So sometimes you'll see that there's a lot of trade above and below the open. And so basically on this day, I needed to wait until some news was out. You can see here there's a little bit of a reaction on that news, and we took out the previous low of the day. But then we started to settle in. And what I could see after that is that we had a low here, another low here. And so on this candle right here, so basically once it broke above, I sold a bull put down below this level, and it did continue up. It went back down relatively quickly. We've seen a lot of that lately intraday, but then it went back up, and on this candle right here we can see that it formed a bearish engulfing candle. So that's where I got a little bit concerned, because we also failed to take out these prior highs, right? So sometimes the best thing to do is take the profit that you have, especially in this kind of environment that we've been in, which can be more news driven. And so what I did is I took the partial profit that I had on that trade, which was the right call, because we had this big move which eventually took out the low of the day. I'm not one to kind of sit around and say, well, it would have worked. I had no idea this was going to come back like that. So that's not a way to manage risk, is to let things go this far against you. So sometimes it's really best to take partial profits. It's always good to optimize your trade entry, but hopefully looking at this example helped. All right, hopefully I'll see you in the room. Bye. Hi, this is Dave with the Stock and Options Room of the ShadowTrader Live Trading Suite. If you want to trade zero DTE options live and in real time with me, click the link in the description below. I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.